Namaste. My name is 𝗥𝗶𝗀𝗄𝗏. I came from Netherlands. I was born in Mongolia. I came to Rishikesh with no expectation. I just wanted to say to all and everyone who's searching for yoga school, don't look further. This school has everything. Number one, I would like to tell about the building, accommodation, the housing. It's a beautiful building on the hills, not far from the center road. All the nearest cafes, restaurants are close by. The room is very big, spacious, bathrooms are very clean. Building itself is new. Second of all, I would like to tell about teachers. Teachers were very professional. Each and every teacher of anatomy, philosophy, yoga alignments, they were very professional. They're very kind to help and explain in professional level. The restaurant food was amazing too. It's a sattvic food, simple food, light food, but each and every time we had 3 to 5 different varieties of food. It's all vegetarian. So overall, my experience with the school is amazing. It's a home away from home. It melted my heart, and I graduated today. Thank you, namaste. As I said before, don't look further. Please come to Yogashala Rishikesh. Thank you.